Hey friends, if you wish to check your spam and junk folder in Gmail, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's what you have to do. On the list on the left hand side, select more and then go to the spam folder. Now these are the spam emails. If you want any of them back, simply click on the checkbox associated with that email, select move to, and then you can select the place where you want them back. Okay, like you might want them back in the inbox, so you can send it back to the inbox, or you can send it back to the social folder, or you can send it back to the let's say forums folder, and you'll find them here. Okay, on the social folder or the forums folder. So this is one thing. And the second thing is that if you want to delete spam, then you can check the box associated with this one and then select delete forever. Now, I highly rate Google spam filters, and I believe that if Google has filtered any spam email, mostly it would be spam. It's a very rare case, like a 0.01% chance that it isn't spam. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.